Alright, several more cities to cover and of course to call out some hot properties in Panchkula, Pune, Bangalore are on our list. But there's also lots happening on the policy front. The Finance Minister P. Chidambaram recently mooted the idea of taxing the rich through an inheritance tax, triggering a heated debate on it. For India's rich, where a large chunk of wealth takes the form of bricks and mortar or real estate, if implemented, could have wide-reaching ramifications. Manasvi Gilani gets your views from the industry giants and if this should be revived at all or not.
The Finance Minister definitely seems to have opened a Pandora's box with a soft hint at a recent session where he spoke about reinforcing estate duty on the monies inherited by the wealthy. Mr. Chidambaram, looking at every way and means to narrow the gaping fiscal deficit, perhaps wanted to test the waters.
Inheritance taxes do not generally exist in developing countries, because in developing countries you need high savings rate, you need reinvestment. This is a phenomenon of developed countries, and we shouldn't follow the policy of developed countries.
Any additional taxes could change the sentiment back. In itself, we believe inheritance tax is a bad idea.
Inheritance tax, better understood as estate duty in India, was abolished in 1985 as the cost of collecting the tax exceeded the total revenue collected by the government. The highest slab rate in 1985 was 85% of the estate exceeding Rs 20 lakh. 3 decades later, on current Finance Minister's assurance that the focus would be more on increasing revenue than increasing tax rates, not every industry captain is opposed to the idea of taxing the super rich a little more, and the Finance Minister has found support in none other than Azim Premji.
There has to be a much higher consciousness among the very wealthy that they have a responsibility towards that wealth, and not just a legacy to leave it to their family and keep growing and growing and growing.
But even just the mention of reimposing estate tax has shaken up India's rich. Several high net worth individuals are already seeking advice on restructuring their balance sheets.
We get calls from international non-residents, residents, everybody, and create the structures, work out in such a way that people are shifting their wealth. In fact, I will tell you, people will shift their wealth abroad to escape estate duty. So therefore, this is a loss of the country's revenue and loss of the capital of the country.
If imposing additional taxes driving away nation's wealth, it wouldn't be a good arrangement, especially when India is dealing with a sluggish market scenario. Our policymakers need to rethink the objective and make a decision that will incentivize economic activity. Manasvi Gilani for NDTV.
It might just be a whiff of an idea mooted by the Finance Minister right now, but it's interesting for all of us to understand who will this apply to, how much will it dent the pockets of those who do have a lot of wealth to pass on to their kids and kin. Today in our experts segment, that's what we'll focus on.